Hello and welcome. Today on Bardscraft we're gonna try a method for making super simple dungeon accessories for your tabletop games. This episode is brought to you by Jacob and me. As our main inspiration for this build, we got various wooden sticks and a quick shade wash. We began by making the coffins. Here Jacob is making a rough guide piece. It was goblin sized, too small. Goblins don't deserve burials. A bit bigger is better. There, it will be used as a guide piece when shaping the planks of the coffin. These sticks, that we called the doctor sticks, were easily cut into smaller planks with the blade. We then laid the small wood bits on the guide cardstock piece, just so we get the coffin wide enough. These were attached with one or two smaller sticks that go across, using PVA glue here. We made a total of 6 of these. They will work as lids for the coffins. And these will work as bottom and body. For each coffin we cut out 2 of these pieces. This wood is quite hard but workable. I recommend something like balsa wood instead. Before assembly we shaped the planks, now that the glue is dried. Then simply stack the bits with glue. After a while the glue was dry enough and we carved in exaggerated wood textures with the blade. These deep grooves will soak up the wash well. Observe as Jacob constructs a peasant-level craft table. He prepared 3 beautiful planks and then made cutting noises while I took notes of this sophisticated craft. The small table is 1 miniature long. Good. Connect the planks. And then glue on the legs. These were cut from barbecue sticks. As shown here, you can also add some end planks to the tables. Soon we'll try the instant dip forge, but before that we made a simple bridge, just 2 barbecue sticks and many tiny planks. This top quality content shall now be dipped into the wash. The idea is to get a good finish using only this. This is Army Painter Quickshade. I have linked it in the descriptions below. Yeah, we just dipped it in and removed some excess by shaking and then later by using a crappy brush. This wash is oil based, so we made sure not to mess up. We were both skeptical about this at first, especially Jacob, but now we were convinced this ain't that bad. No more are these just little school children's crafts. Well, at least not as much. I was interested to see how this will turn out with exceptionally deep textures. Something like this should do. A plank fell off. I'll glue it back later, or not. You can dip quite large things, as long as over half of it fits. Of course, the wash can also be applied by brush. For extra immersion, we placed a scroll and a little skull on one of the tables. Tiny bits from miniatures come in handy if you have any. So yeah, you can definitely make lots of tiny instant painted dungeon terrain.
Yeah, these are epic. In the end we chose to use some ink as well for one of the coffins, and it does look a bit better, but the other ones are very epic as well. Behold the dungeon!
An example of a good encounter easily set up with dungeon tiles. Will the hero stop the scribbling sorcerer from raising an army of undead? Probably. I agree with Jacob. The table is quite epic. It is always good to have bridges and ladders available at your table. They make goblin spots 25% more efficient. There we have it. Please let me know what you think about this concept. Hey, if you're new to all of this, I'd like to welcome you to Bardscraft, where we make simple miniatures for tabletop games. So do subscribe and like if you appreciate the video and watch one of these to learn more.